I was here during the pandemic and had to work from home. And working from home meant that I had to change one of my living spaces into an office. But having a conservatory, it kind of doubles up as another workspace. And it's just given us more versatility with what we want as a family. We've got a small garden, but we use it quite a lot for socialising. So the conservatory was a really great way of extending our garden when it rained, but also extending the house when we needed more space in the house. We liked how it was constructed. It was quick, it wasn't going to take up too much time, and actually we liked the look of the product. So yeah, that's why we went with it. When people have come around and they've seen it, they don't realise that it's not a traditional built conservatory, and so yes, anybody that's asked, we've told them about it. We were going to do it ourselves, but then we just thought, you know what, it just makes sense just to get a professional in, because we were doing so much other things as well. But yeah, no, all the way along, very professional, informed us all the way through what was happening, when we could expect everybody on site, how long it would last, what we could expect at each stage. And yeah, just a really good experience all round, really.